In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Zap in Zapier. We'll go through the full process from moving a Zap to the trash, all the way to permanently deleting it. This is useful if you have an old workflow you no longer need and want to fully remove it from your account. Just keep in mind that permanent deletion can't be undone, so it's a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct Zap before confirming anything. To get started, log into your Zapier account. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand menu and open Assets. This is where you can manage the items connected to your workspace, including your automations. After that, make sure Zap Workflows is selected. This will display the full list of Zaps available in your account. From here, locate the Zap you want to delete. If you have a long list of workflows, take a moment to confirm the name carefully so you don't remove the wrong one by mistake. When you found the correct Zap, go to the far right side of that row and click the three-dot menu. This opens additional actions for that workflow. From the menu, select Move to Trash. If a confirmation message appears, go ahead and confirm the action. At this point, the Zap is no longer in your active workflows, but it has not been permanently deleted yet. Next, click Trash in the top right corner of the Zap Workflows page. This will open the folder containing items that have been moved out of your main list. Locate the Zap in the trash folder, then select the Zap you want to permanently remove. Once it's selected, choose Delete Permanently. Zapier may ask you to confirm this final deletion step, and if it does, confirm it to proceed. This is the stage where the Zap is fully removed rather than just stored in trash. So, make sure you're ready before continuing. After that, verify that the Zap no longer appears in your Zap Workflows list or in the trash folder. This final check helps confirm that the deletion was successful and that the workflow has been completely removed from your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a Zap in Zapier, including permanently removing it from trash. Thanks for watching.